Why do we say bless you after someone sneezes? Ever wondered why we say bless you after a sneeze? It's a tradition with roots in history and superstition. Back in the day, people believed a sneeze could expel your soul. Saying bless you was a way to prevent the devil from snatching it. Some also thought sneezing was an early sign of the plague. Saying bless you was a quick prayer, hoping to protect the sneezer from illness or death. It was a common courtesy during uncertain times. This practice has evolved into a polite custom. Today, we say bless you out of habit and politeness. It's a social norm showing concern for others. Did you know this? Comment if you say bless you too. Subscribe for more quirky facts.